Hey guys, this week we're going to be using the Rotovap to show you how to do so. You have to create a vacuum for the Rotovap to work. So we turn on the vacuum here, and we turn on the cold water start and the cold water return. This runs water through both of the coils of the Rotovap so that when the vapor of your solvent comes off, it can recondense when it hits something cooler than the hot water bath. This is a solution of quinazorin and toluene. I'm going to remove the toluene by attaching it to the Rotovap and fixing it with a Keck clamp. We then turn this knob here to off so that we can have vacuum on the Rotovap. We follow the hose line from this Rotovap to this dial and turn it on just enough to where you hear the noise start. That is the sound of a vacuum being created. Now we push the dial at the top, and that starts our flask to spin. With our system started, we can now push the button to the preset safe temperature that increases the temperature of the water bath. Placing your hand onto the handle and pushing the button in, you can now raise or lower the Rotovap. We do so to where our flask is just into the water bath without being over the lip of the top of the flask. We can now come over and open up the vacuum line all the way, and you can hear that it's starting to pull harder as the vacuum makes more noise. It will then slowly equilibrate back to the same lack of noise it was making before. As the temperature increases in the water bath and the pressure equilibrates within inside the system, your vaporized toluene condenses on the cold water coils, converting back into a liquid and collecting into the bump trap below. Once your evaporation is complete, you raise your flask out of the water bath, open the flask to air. You no longer need the vacuum, so you turn the dial off. Once you no longer hear the hissing sound of the pump, you can turn off rotation, remove your Keck clip, and retrieve your flask, now without solvent.